Hey everyone, what's up? This is Stephen KC Railpan here, and welcome to another video. I know it's been some time since I've been uploading because I didn't upload much last week because of vacation, but as you can see, we are now back in the layout. You can see? I recently got back Sunday night, so it was basically like I got back around midnight. So from Baltimore airport to Kansas City, so I got back around midnight, and here I am. We're back home, back in the layout. So I gotta say, the Virginia trip has been fun. Got lots of, did a ton of rail fanning. We're getting like CSX, NS, and Amtrak trains. And if you haven't seen my recent video, where I did a video where I was up in Ashland on the CSX RP sub, I recently visited Tiny Tim's Trains and Toys. Recently, it's a really good hobby store. It's a good toy store, so you can go there, buy model trains. You can buy toys for your kids and all that. So here they are. These are the rolling stock. They're finally here and ready to be on the layout for future operating sessions. So you can see my Athearn Genesis tank car, the Athearn Radial NS box car, which is the old packaging, the Bowser 100-ton coal hopper CSX, and of course the RP box car, which is a new release from Athearn. So there's that. So they're now officially here on the layout on their new home. So let me get these out of the box so you guys can see what they look like. Alright, so here now the rolling stock outside the packaging. So we'll start off with the RP box car. So you can see the RP box car is really nicely done. It's much different compared to my Walters one. So you can see it's a bit of a light blue and all that compared to the one I have, which is a dark blue. So it's pretty cool. Nice rolling wheels, McHenry couplers, which hopefully I might change that to KD sometimes, but I just need to buy some more KD couplers. So it's nice free rolling. Pretty cool. Some great detail on the bottom. You see the sides. Doors are basically molded in so you can't slide them to open. And here's the brake wheel detail. Looks very nice. And the roof, basically really well done. Alright, so moving on, this is the CSX hopper. So basically it's got the metal wheels, metal couplers, free rolling. And here's the interior. You can see this is where you can put either your own custom load or just basically make just like get like a coal load, you put it in yourself, or just make a load yourself for them. It's really nice. Very cool. Here's the bottom. Very cool. And the paint scheme on it is really nicely done too. Yeah, so it looks really nice. This is one of the few cars I've been looking for a long time, and I finally found some. Because regardless which ones you get, you either can get like the Bowsers, Walters, Bachmann, because I know Bachmann has a new run of 100-ton hoppers, but 2 row numbers each, so maybe I might think about getting some of those, some new Bachmanns. So there's that. Looks good. Now here's the tank car. So the tank car is really nice. You can see it's Athearn Genesis, and the bearing caps do rotate. And you can see I have one that's missing, but I'll have to put that on later because when I first opened it, the bearing caps were loose, so I had to put them on myself. It's really nicely done. All that, yeah, because apparently it had a little bit of damage when I first opened it because I just basically tried to put the bearing caps on, and it's got the McHenry couplers and all that. Detail-wise, bond detail is really nicely done too. Very nice. And now, sorry, I just decided to slip away. Sorry about that. It decides to roll away. And now it's the box car. So the box car is really nicely done too, even though it being an older piece. It is free rolling. I'm not sure if the doors. Oh, okay. If the doors open, they don't. So. Good detail here at the bottom, and it's got the plastic, looks like Bachmann style easy make couplers. So there's that. Looks good. So I think this car just needs to do needs some work to do, so I might have to glue the detail back on because, it was really hard to get the bearing caps on and then causing some damage, so I'll have to glue everything back on and such. So, anyways, sorry about that. Let me just slip it back. So anyways, those are all the new rolling stock I'd like to share with you guys. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I'll leave you guys a little bit of a run by these 4 in action, and you'll see these in future operating sessions coming soon. Possibly in the spring or the summer season, so who knows. But anyways, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Okay, have a good day, everybody.